Lord Howe Island is as picturesque as it is remote. A World Heritage listed paradise located 660 kilometres off the north coast of New South Wales. Boasting pristine beaches, spectacular volcanic peaks and lush rainforests, it is also home to the world's most southern coral reef. It is a treasure trove for bird watchers, as more seabirds breed on the island than anywhere else in Australia. One of Lord Howe Island's spectacular avian displays is that of the flesh-footed shearwaters, who leave before dawn each day to feed at sea and fill the sky again at dusk as they return. However, on Lord Howe Island, repeated years of low breeding success by flesh-footed shearwaters has been implicated in the serious and ongoing decline of this population, likely the result of high mortality due to the ingestion of plastic. A growing concern about the impact of a problem already recognised in the North Pacific Ocean, plastic pollution, is now being noticed in the Southern Hemisphere. The Tasman Sea, where flesh-footed shearwaters forage, is awash with plastic debris, not from the island, but from towns and cities hundreds of kilometres away. Take a look around you. Most of the products we use are made of and packaged in plastic, a material made to last forever and designed to throw away. A plastic bag, water bottle, containers, and packages we dispose of daily are rarely recovered and recycled. A substantial quantity of plastics are accumulating in landfills. Some are made into durable goods and the rest is unaccounted for, lost into the environment where it eventually flows into our oceans. The world produces millions of tonnes of plastic disposables each year. With the exception of a small amount, which is incinerated, nearly every piece of plastic ever made still exists in some shape or form. Plastics have been designed to be strong and durable. However, over time, UV rays from the sun weaken the plastic through a process called photodegradation. Recognisable items like plastic bottles and containers will crumble into plastic bits. Scientists call these bits microplastics, and when mixed with plankton, create a plastic soup. The adult shearwaters eat this soup, therefore picking up for their young at sea plastic, not food. The chicks tend not to regurgitate until nearly fledged, so plastics accumulate in their stomach during the nestling period, and they either die due to starvation or of mechanical injury from the pieces of plastic perforating their gastrointestinal tract. It is impossible to remove every bit of plastic from our immense ocean. Therefore, we must stop these plastics from entering in the first place. This is an environmental issue we can see with our own eyes, and humans can do small things to change it. Start by noticing disposables and talk about what you see around you. Also remember the 3 R's. Refuse disposals by bringing your own bag, bottle, container, straw and utensils. Reduce the amount of plastic entering our environment by reducing consumption. Reuse items that are commonly considered as disposables. Turn trash into treasures like works of art to raise awareness of plastic pollution. Although the vast majority of disposals are not recovered, do your best to recycle what you can not refuse. The risk posed to flesh-footed shearwaters on Lord Howe Island from ingested plastic is significant and has increased over a short period of time. Therefore, share what you know with others so together we can move closer to a sustainable society free of plastic pollution and reduce the amount of plastic ingested and corresponding damage to flesh-footed shearwaters.